Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a gorgeous, affordable wig that you can get for under $50. Yes, under $50. This is the GLS 27 wig from Friday Night Hair. I have the wig in the color OM 430. You know, 430 is kind of like a burnt orange, a little tint of red to it. It does come with adjustable straps as well as combs constructed inside of the wig. Now this is a hard lace, but because it is like a hard lace, I was actually pretty surprised at how well the hairline was constructed. Now, I'm not the type of person that like to go for the uniform curls, so I did take my wide tooth comb and comb through the curls. Now, I wouldn't advise you do that if you want the curlier look, but because I wasn't going for that type of look, I went ahead and I took my comb to undo the uniform curls. Also, there's not a lot of parting space in this wig. I believe it's probably like maybe 2 to 3 inches of parting space within the wig. It does say that you can straighten this wig up to 450 degrees, but honestly it comes curly. I wouldn't really see the point in straightening the wig. So after I rake my fingers through the hair and I use my wide tooth comb, this is what I came up with. I am loving this little bang situation. I couldn't get it to stay, so my only advice with the bang is to maybe take a hairpin so that it can stay, because I believe if you use product on this wig, it's not human hair, it's synthetic. It may not style the way that you want it to style, so I wouldn't put any product in this hair. You really don't need it. And because this hair was 20 inches, to me, I know the longer the hair is with synthetic hair, the more it's going to tangle. So I went ahead and I chopped it off into a bob. So you're going to see me, I'm going to separate some of the hair in the front just a little bit and push all the rest of the hair into a ponytail. And I cut right above where I put the hair in a tight ponytail. I cut right above that. And this is the asymmetrical bob that I got. And I just went ahead and just trimmed the hair to make it look more fitting to frame my face. And then I did go ahead and I chopped up the bang a little bit, and I just continued to rake my hands through the hair and fluff the hair as much as possible to get it to my liking. Now y'all know it's fall, so this color is literally right on time for fall. I'm not really feeling a lot of the fall weather yet because I'm in Florida, but hopefully sooner than later we'll start feeling some type of fall weather soon. So this is a look that I received. I am going to put all of the information down in the description box for you to purchase this hair. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.